Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. Let's start by sliding up to the menu and tapping on the camera to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera, so to get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's tap on this button from the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here let's pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the mirrored selfie option. By using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.